Hi, my name is Henrik Fauske and I am the e-performance manager at Porsche Norway. E-performance is our term for taking the e-mobility a step further. Taycan, which is our first all-electric sports car, stood for over 90% of our total sales last year. So you could definitely say we are a part of the electric future. Parallel to the development of Taycan, Porsche also developed their own charging equipment, the Porsche High Performance Charging System. And for us in Norway, Caverion plays a huge part in this. In our tender process, we were searching for a partner that could install this charging system at all our dealers in Norway. Caverion stood out with excellent knowledge in charging systems, and they were also able to do the same type of installation at all dealers, regardless of location.
To ensure this, we sent our best e-mobility technicians to Porsche AG in Germany to ensure that we will install the retailer network into the Porsche AG specification.
The experience with Caverion so far has been great. I would especially highlight the communication and effectiveness of the company. When we have a problem, let's say that the chargers are down due to technical issues, Caverion has been fast on site. They are quick and thorough in their communication, and the reports have also been very good, and especially for our factory, which are very strict on how things should be done. They have also given creds to Caverion for great reporting.